My MOS is 12 Alpha. I'm an engineer officer, and that means both the construction type of engineering, building things and making bridges. It also means combat engineering, which is building obstacles, destroying obstacles, demolitions, all of that fun stuff.
Combat engineer helps with making it easier for our counterparts to get through the battlefield easier, as well as setting up obstacles to make it harder for the enemy to get to us. We're mainly boots on the ground, whereas the 12 Novembers are in vehicles and equipment, and we do a lot of cross-training and work together to accomplish the mission. Training is very rigorous, there's low sleep, and we are constantly moving, adapting.
You have 8 weeks to go through, and it trains you on 8 different pieces of equipment. When you first start off, you start off with the loader, and then you just work your way up to harder and bigger pieces of equipment.
Building roads is a big part of it, and you start from scratch. And then when you're done, you see this road that people are going to use and drive on every day, and just knowing you built that's pretty satisfying.
One of the benefits that I was able to get was my CDL, my Class A. Right now it's a $10,000 license. That's something that you can bring into the civilian life.
My MOS is 12 Mike, and that entails protecting assets that the Army needs protected for fire suppression. It's not just fires burning, there's different aspects like weather can affect how the fire is going to burn, wind can push it faster, make it burn faster. Wildland specifically, if the fire gets big enough, it can actually end up creating its own weather patterns and create its own weather. So understanding how your current environment is going to affect the fire can be really important.
Anything that could be a challenge to us, we adapt and overcome, and it's a great help, because if we're not challenged, I don't think we're going to progress forward.
If you want to do something where there's lots of thinking involved, you have a path for that in the Guard.